Number 1. 1993 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,000, powered by a 5.7L V8 engine with an automatic transmission. The truck has traveled approximately 226,000 miles and comes with a clean Tennessee title. It runs and drives very well and is equipped with new tires and power windows. The exterior is finished in tan, matching the tan interior, which remains in good condition for a truck of its age. The heating system works properly, while the air conditioning only needs a recharge. Although it is not a show truck, it cleans up nicely and presents well overall. There is a cracked dashboard, along with a small dent at the bottom of the driver's side door and another minor dent below the left taillight. Overall, this Sierra is a solid, dependable older truck that is still in good running condition. Number 2. 1985 Chevrolet C10, price $8,500. It has traveled approximately 120,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. It features a blue exterior paired with a matching blue interior, giving the truck a clean and classic look. The vehicle is in excellent condition with zero rust anywhere, making it a very solid and well-preserved example. Power comes from a 350 small block Chevy engine sourced from a 1981 Corvette, upgraded with a small camshaft, headers, and a MagnaFlow exhaust, delivering strong performance and a great sound. The truck is paired with a TH350 automatic transmission and runs and drives exactly as it should. It is a reliable vehicle that can be driven anywhere with confidence. Just get in and go. All electrical features are fully functional, including power windows and power door locks, and the radio works properly as well. Number 3. 1994 GMC Sierra 1500, price $6,900, powered by a reliable 5.7L 350 V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. The vehicle has traveled 190,000 original miles and remains in excellent running condition. It features a burgundy exterior complemented by a silver interior, giving it a classic and well-preserved appearance. The truck comes fully powered and well-equipped, including power windows, power door locks, a tilt steering wheel, cruise control, and a fully functioning air conditioning system. It is also fitted with a factory tow package, making it suitable for both daily driving and light-duty hauling. This GMC Sierra has always been properly serviced and well-maintained, with complete maintenance records available, and all components remain original, reflecting the care it has received over the years. Number 4. 1998 GMC Sonoma, price $4,900, clean and well-preserved compact pickup with only 124,000 original miles. It is powered by a reliable 2.2-liter four-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, making it an easy and comfortable truck to drive for daily use. The exterior is finished in green and the vehicle is completely rust-free, showing how well it has been cared for over the years, with no known mechanical or functional issues. In addition, the truck is equipped with working air conditioning, a touchscreen radio for modern convenience, and tinted windows that enhance comfort and appearance. Overall, this GMC Sonoma has been very well kept, remains in solid condition inside and out, and is fully road-ready, making it a dependable choice for anyone looking for a clean and reliable small pickup. Number 5. 1998 GMC Sierra 1500, price $7,000, equipped with a 5.7L V8 engine, an automatic transmission, and a 4x4 drivetrain. The truck has approximately 117,000 miles on it and runs on gasoline. It features a blue exterior with a matching blue interior. The current owner purchased the vehicle about 2 years ago, during which time it has accumulated over 20,000 additional miles, mostly driven by his children for daily use around town, trips to the lake, and for towing boats and trailers. Cosmetically, the truck shows signs of wear, with dents and scratches present on every panel. Mechanically, however, it remains in sound condition. The only noted issue is a slight delay of 1 to 2 seconds when shifting into drive, while reverse engages immediately. Number 6. 1987 Toyota pickup, price $7,000. It is powered by the dependable 22-or engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, delivering a straightforward and reliable driving experience. The truck has covered 206,000 miles and has had only one owner, who consistently maintained it with great care. It has always been kept in a garage, which has helped preserve its condition and prevent any rust issues. The title is clean, further reflecting its well-documented and responsible ownership history. The exterior remains in nice paint condition, showing well for its age, while the truck sits on great tires that are ready for daily driving or weekend use. Inside, the interior has been well kept, remaining clean and comfortable, which highlights how carefully the vehicle has been treated over the years. Number 7. 1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,495, with only 159,000 miles on the odometer. It is considered low mileage for a vehicle of this age. The truck is powered by a strong and dependable 5.7L V8 gasoline engine, paired with an automatic transmission and a four-wheel drive system, providing excellent performance in various driving conditions. Its black exterior is complemented by a clean gray interior, giving it a timeless and versatile look. The vehicle comes equipped with air conditioning, cruise control, and a tilt steering wheel, ensuring comfort on long drives. Additionally, it is set up for towing, allowing it to handle trailers or equipment with ease. The tires are in excellent condition, contributing to a safe and smooth ride. Number 8. 1994 Ford F250, price $5,495. It comes with a clean title and a recently rebuilt 5.8L V8 engine, ensuring strong performance and reliability. With an automatic transmission and 253,000 miles on the odometer, this truck has proven its durability over the years. The F250 features a classic gray exterior complemented by a matching gray interior, and it runs on gasoline. It is equipped with a tow package, making it perfect for hauling trailers, boats, or other heavy loads. The truck has received routine maintenance, including a fresh oil change and new spark plugs, and it still has great tire tread for continued use. The heater works perfectly, providing comfort during colder months, and overall, the truck runs strong, making it a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable and capable work vehicle. Number 9. 1996 Ford F-150, price $4,000, equipped with a 5.0L V8 engine, 5-speed manual transmission, and four-wheel drive with manual locking hubs. This truck offers both power and capability. It has been meticulously cared for, with the entire cooling system rebuilt last winter, including a new radiator, upper and lower hoses, thermostat, and water pump. A new alternator, regulator, and starter were also recently installed. The interior was stripped and deeply cleaned, with rust inhibitor applied to the floor pans, maintaining a very clean and preserved cabin. The truck rides on almost new tires with fewer than 5,000 miles, and a recent alignment ensures smooth handling. All wiring and electrical accessories are fully functional, with the exception of the air conditioning. Number 10. 1992 Mazda B2600, price $2,000, well-maintained pickup truck that offers both reliability and practicality. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission, a sleek black exterior, and a comfortable gray interior, making it a stylish yet functional vehicle for daily driving or work purposes. This Mazda is powered by gasoline and is known for its durability and dependable performance. The truck runs and drives smoothly, with the automatic transmission shifting effortlessly. Recent maintenance has been thoroughly addressed, including a new brake booster, fuel injectors, distributor, spark plugs, wires, ignition coil, and brake pads, ensuring that the vehicle is mechanically sound and ready for the road.